Hey everyone, Jake Burkett with Real Broker. We are in Seven Hills, and that's in Henderson, Nevada. We have another great home tour, single-story house. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the Seven Hills renovation tour. Let's call this a modern oasis, and we're about to reveal it here today. So the facts of the house, it's 2,634 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It has a 3-car garage. The lot itself is 7,405 square feet. And every inch of the interior has been renovated. Okay, let's step into this stunning oasis. We could say old world of the house meets modern contemporary design. We're going to indulge in a quiet moment of relaxation in this cozy reading nook surrounded by natural light and tranquility. We have an office if you need to work from home in style. You got a dedicated space. You can be highly productive and comfortable. It's got cool light fixtures all around. You're going to see a theme that runs throughout the house. Got some new flooring, new tiling throughout the house. That was LVP that was in the office. We're also going to find that in the bedrooms. Right here we have 2 little display areas if you had some art, or in this case we have an artificial fig tree. But you could put some nice art up there. You could put a little console, some crystals, some other design. A lot of different opportunities. Before we go check out that kitchen, first we're going to look at we do have a closet for storage back here. We also have the half bath. So here's that hallway closet, coat closet. And here's the half bath. So if you have some friends over in a chaining, or actually this is a 3/4 bath, excuse me, there's a shower. You can see quartz countertop. It's got a built-in below the top level sink as well, floating countertop, new mirrors, smart mirrors. They're all backlit. And then you have a walk-in shower over here as well. Now we're going to look at that drawer a little bit more. Here we go. Here's the shower. So you do have a walk-in shower. That's nice. We got tile in the back, goes all the way up to the ceiling. And here we have the laundry room. It's a nice large laundry room. It's got stackables in there. Nice pull handles. Refinished cabinetry. Does have a wet sink in there. It's some sort of smart faucet. I believe it tells you the temperature. So if you were doing something with laundry and you needed a precise temperature, it's got a little display reading on there. Here's a little old world charm, right? You don't see these too often. You got a little ironing board and iron that can pop out and store. More cabinet space, a couple of floating shelves. And here we have the garage access. So this is where our 3-car garage is. We do have an epoxy floor. You have ample room to store your items in there. There is a door that leads into the backyard over there on the right side. Relatively new hot water heater, and that's a soft water loop, so if you need a water conditioner for your house. All right, so as we leave the laundry room, we're going to go to the kitchen, which is the heart of this home. And this kitchen is going to boast sleek countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, ample storage for all your culinary needs. You see we have a center island right there. There's storage on both sides of that. And then you have your outer peninsula, which is also where the sink's located. We got double ovens. Now this fridge over here is pretty cool. So the panels on it right now are that little off-white. They're all interchangeable. So you could change them to whatever color you wanted. If you wanted them to be blue, yellow, orange, stainless steel, black steel, you name it, you could do it. I actually have the same fridge in our house, slightly different model, but the same manufacturer. It's Samsung, and yes, it works very well. Here you got a nice pantry, nice little door on it, little aesthetic transparency windows on there. Ample room in there. It's plenty big. Put all your stuff. Put some cooking appliances in there. And here we go. These lights again, kind of following the same theme throughout the house. Nice little cooktop area. We got tile run, or backsplash run to the roof. Cool little modern looking home, or excuse me, hood. Kind of goes with the theme of the house. Yeah, that's like little vertically mounted subway tile. It's got some texture. It's like this kind of charcoal. I'm probably not describing it very well. Got your dishwasher, got your sink area. You do have a below counter mount microwave. It's right there. Over here we have the living room space, which also has a door out to the backyard. You're going to notice there are shutters throughout this entire house. Back here, this is likely where you would have your TV. You do have an artificial fireplace there. Back here we have the secondary rooms. The little ones will adore their own colorful space, complete with plenty of room for play and creativity. Nice light coming into this room. Now that's a cool light we're going to see in the other room. It's also a ceiling fan. This particular room happens to have two closets. They both have build-outs in them. Now this also has a Jack and Jill bathroom. And all the bathrooms in this house have been thoughtfully revamped, featuring modern fixtures and elegant finishes. So here's one side. You can see matching countertops from the other parts of the home. Same smart mirrors, floating countertops. And this is cool. We all need more linen closets, so this is good. Storage is always good. There's a door on each side of here that will privatize where the shower and the toilet are. Nice little walk-in shower. Does have a tub. Got some cool looking tile that runs up to the ceiling. Nice little natural light that comes in, but high enough to give you privacy. Good little storage area for your shampoos and soaps. And there is the commode. All right, on this other side, we have another matching bathroom, sink, floating countertops, mirrors, and a vanity. You can see that backlit mirror there. So all the mirrors in the home are like that. All right, and so you can see here the ceiling fan blades are extended in this room. So when the ceiling fan is not being used and just the light, the fans retract in, giving it a very sleek look. Got a cool little design closet door here, transparency glass on it, so it just changes the look of this room a bit. So we got a little storage on top there. All right, we're going to come out of here, pass through the kitchen living room area, and we're going to escape to the master suite. It's a serene retreat offering a peaceful ambience and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. More closet space. It's always good to have. If you don't have it, you'll need it. You do have this little transparency window above the door to the primary suite. Here we go, coming on in here. Cool little chandelier light. Nice little tray ceiling. Lots of windows in this room, so you get tons of natural light coming in here. It's a nice big room, too. It's got good size to it. There's that chandelier light. Retractable fan blades again. And I like that HVAC duct on top, so it's a little upgraded. It doesn't look like the standard one you'd see in every other home that's been built. Got a little fireplace action back there. And here's our bathroom retreat. We got this beautiful freestanding soaking tub. Again, lots of windows, shutters coming in so you can make it private. Got a nice pop of color or accent wall color. It's dark, so maybe we don't call it a pop of color. Two separate sink areas. Got a nice walk-in shower right here. Little place to hang your towel there on the wall too. It's always important. Keep those towels off the floor. And there's our second sink in the room. All right, here's our walk-in closet. Got these little transparency sliding door on it. It's nice. Good side closet. Already has built-ins in it, so it's ready to go, ready to be moved into. Cool little light fixtures. Those are neat. All right, we're going to head on out of the primary bedroom, and we are going to check out this outdoor space. It's a great space. Hopefully it leaves you breathless, but in a good way. Got this nice sprawling patio. It's perfect for hosting gatherings, eating dinner al fresco. Got a nice pool over here. Self-cleaning pool, Pebble Tech. Surrounded by mature landscape, so it gives you a nice little oasis, good bit of privacy. And the way the pool's designed is it doesn't eat into the covered patio space. You still have room because we do have limited property size here. But as we move past the pool over here, you're going to see a little sitting area. These are cool little, some cool little chairs there, like shaped like lips. So that's pretty neat. And over here we have a nice little pergola, little barbecue area. So a good place to hang out outdoors, have some friends, pull up to the little bar tops there. Nice little wide side access to the front of the house. All right, well, this pretty much sums up this house. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe. If you have any questions about the home buying or selling process, that's my number right there on the screen. You give me a call. We'll talk you through any scenario, help you out as we can. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable Seven Hills home tour. Please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home tours and renovation ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.